In your health tonight, detecting Lyme disease.
Researchers in Connecticut are now fine-tuning efforts to diagnose Lyme for early detection. News 8's medical reporter Jocelyn Memento with more on what they're learning. Jocelyn.
Ann and Darren, the work is being done at the Western Connecticut Health Network Lyme Disease Biobank. Researchers are developing a novel approach to test for Lyme and widening their scope.
Researchers at Western Connecticut Health Network Lyme Disease Biobank are tweaking their work on a blood-based test to detect Lyme disease sooner than later.
You can see that if the organism is present, you get a very robust response.
They're doing it by detecting the organism itself that causes the tick-transmitted disease.
These are positive cases, right? We look at 5 genes in each case.
Though not yet ready for patient use, work is already underway for when the test is available in hospital settings, using less expensive, user-friendly technology. Principal investigator Dr. Paul Fiedler.
We have found that when patients first seek medical attention, the CDC's test is only positive about a third of the time on that very first visit.
The test they're developing here could provide clarity for patients still battling symptoms after treatment.
We're optimistic that as we perfect this test, we'll be able to follow those patients and see if there is persistence of the organism in their blood.
Meantime, the push for urine samples from patients is underway.
The preliminary data that's been published so far is very encouraging, that there is a tight correlation between finding the proteins of the organism in urine and the presence of active disease.
Lori McGuire.
I started having symptoms of like arthritis and, joint stiffness.
Is on the registry. She was recently diagnosed with Lyme after months of suffering.
I think that the more they can advance medical testing, that the better off everyone is.
The challenge is validating the complex work. Dr. Fiedler says a big reason why they cannot predict if or when it will be available. The biobank is looking for more people to register blood and urine samples. For more information, download our free News 8 app or go to WTNH.com.